Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve this hacker rank problem based on string. Problem name is as given, beautiful binary string. A string is beautiful binary if it has this value 0 1 0. Let's understand this problem as a statement. Ls has a binary string. She thinks a binary string is beautiful if and only if it does not contain a substring 0 1 0. If it doesn't contain a substring 0 1 0, in one step Alice can change 0 to 1 or vice versa. Count and print the minimum number of steps need to make Alice see that string as beautiful. Okay. For example, if Alice string is B010, she can change any one element in the above uh, and have a beautiful string. If she will change the 0 to 1 or 1 to 0 or 0 to 1, then it will become the beautiful strings. So basically we need to find the 0 1 0 in the given string, and how many number of the 0 1 0 string is substring is present in the in the string, that we have to return. Okay, complete the beautiful. Okay, let's understand this input format. The first line contains an integer n, the length of the binary string. The second line contains a single binary string b. Okay, first input is length of the string and the second input is string itself. The length of the string will be more than 1 and the less than 100 equal to less than and equal to 100, and the string will be only 0 and 1. As you may see here in the simple input, given is length of the given string is 7 and a string is 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. In this we have 2010 string, 2010 string. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, so we are returning 2. Yeah, you may see here in the explanation section 0 1 0 and 0 1 0. If we will change any of the string in this, then this string will becomes beautiful strings. Similarly, this is the another input. Given length of the string is 5 and this string doesn't have any 0 1 0, 0 1 1 and 1 0 0. It means this string is beautiful strings and don't need to make changes in any string. Let's move to the coding section. We have to count the how many 0 1 0 is present in the given string. So I am creating integer type of variable count and initializing with 0. Int start index is equal to 0. Int index is equal to, I am going to search 0 1 0 in the B. Okay, index of what? Index of 0 1 0 from which place? Start index. Start index. Yeah, I am going to look for the 0 1 0 in the given string B and I am searching from the start index, that is 0. If this string is found in the this substring is found in the given string, then it will return that index, otherwise it will return -1. Okay, is start index is equal to index plus 1, index plus 3, because it will, if this string is found, then it will return the index of this 0. So we will look for the next string after this string. So I am increasing by 3, and I am checking while index not is equal to -1. This loop will continue till the index not becomes -1, and I am updating counter variable to 1. I need some code from the here, so I am copying and pasting in the while loop also, but I don't wanna to create a local variable inside this. Okay, and finally return count. Let's understand this code. First of all, it will look for the 0 1 0 in the given string B. If it is found, then it will return index of this substring, starting index of this substring. If not found, then index will becomes -1. Then it will come to this while loop. Index not is equal to -1. Yes, index is -1. Then this loop will not continue, and it will return count. First time it is initialized with 0, so no n is 0 1 0 found in the string B. If it is found, then it will enter in this loop, and it will continue checking for the next 0 1 0 substring in the given string B, and whenever it will found index not found, that is 0 index -1, then this loop will break and return the count variable. Okay, let's run this code for simple test case validation. Yeah, it passed the simple test cases. Let's again submit for the final evaluation. Yeah, it passed the all test cases without any issue. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to share with your friend and hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you not subscribed yet. Thank you for watching.